Greetings to everyone. I am Ishan Zukar, student of Instrumentation Engineering in VESIT and member of EBSB Student Council. The aim of the VESIT is to develop the creativity and the ability of an individual. Before we begin with the today's session, let us look at our college video. That was a wonderful introductory video of our college. EBSB or Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat is a prime initiative taken by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. EBSB programs aims to enhance interaction and promote mutual understanding between the people of different states through the concept of state pairing. The states carry out activities to promote a sustained and structured cultural connection in the areas of language learning, culture, tradition, and music, tourism and cuisine, sports, and sharing of best practices, etc. So let us begin with our today's topic, the wildlife of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a home to a large number of species of tigers, crocodiles, bison, goose, nilgai, wild deer, sambar, and rare migratory animals and birds. It has total of 50 wildlife sanctuaries as per the record of 2021. The Royal Bengal tiger population is about minimum of 352 tigers and maximum is estimated around 400 plus tigers as per the National Tiger Conservation Authority, which is a definitely good sign for our ecosystem conservation. Here are the some of the most famous national parks or wildlife sanctuaries in Maharashtra. The Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is a wildlife sanctuary or a national park in Chandrapur district of Maharashtra state in India. It is Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park. Melghat Tiger Reserve was among the first 9 tiger reserves of India to be notified in 1973 under Project Tiger. It is located at in the northern part of Amravati district of Maharashtra. Melghat Wildlife Sanctuary was declared in 1985. The total area of this reserve is around 1,677 square kilometers. The Painch Tiger Reserve is situated in Madhya Pradesh as well as in Maharashtra. The Maharashtra side of the Painch Tiger Reserve has the core habitat of 257.3 square kilometers along with a buffer area of 483.96 square kilometers. It is famous and also called the Mowgli's land as J.K. Rowling got inspired and wrote the famous The Jungle Book. The Karnal Bird Sanctuary is located in Panvel Taluka of Raigad district outside Mumbai. It is one of the most famous bird sanctuaries in Maharashtra. The Jayakwadi Bird Sanctuary is a bird sanctuary. It is located near Jayakwadi village in Paitan Taluka of Aurangabad district in Maharashtra. But today, the sanctuary which I am going to talk about is not any of these. It is none other than one of the oldest wildlife sanctuary in Maharashtra, that's the Radhanagari Wildlife Sanctuary. Radhanagari Wildlife Sanctuary is a National World Heritage Site since 2012, located in Kolhapur district, Maharashtra. It lies in the southern end of the Sahyadri Hills and in the Western Ghats. It is notable as the first declared wildlife sanctuary in Maharashtra in 1958 as Dajipur Wildlife Sanctuary or famously known as the Bison Sanctuary. The area around the sanctuary was declared as an ecosystem zone by Government of India on 15th October 2020. Now let's look at the geography of the sanctuary. The Krishna River tributaries, the Bhogavati River, the Dudganga River, Tulsi River, Kala Amma River, and the Derba River flow through the sanctuary's area. The State Highway 116, that's from Kankauli to Kolhapur, passes through the center of the sanctuary. This sanctuary is located in the Sahyadri Hill Range. The total area of the sanctuary is 351 square kilometers. Now, let us have a look on the flora of the sanctuary. Radhanagari Wildlife Sanctuary contains tropical evergreen forest typical of the northern Western Ghats. 425 species of plants have been recorded in this sanctuary. The main species found over here are Jambud, Hirda, Avla, Pisa, Ain, Kinjal, Amba, Kumba, Chandala, Katak, Nana, Jamba, and Banana. Kauri is the most found over the entire area. Climbing plants such as Shikikai or Garambi are common. Shrub species and medicinal plants such as Karwan, Wakti, or the candy corn plant, Ranmiri, the orange climber, Tamalpatra, or the cinnamon tamala, and Kadipatta, the curry leaves, and a small amount of bamboos are also found here. Large amount of ephemeral bulbs of seasonal plants are also found here. Many sacred groves or devrais have been protected as a result of the efforts of the local communities present here. The fauna of this sanctuary is very vast and rich. It has 47 species of mammals, 59 species of reptiles, 264 species of birds, and 66 species of butterflies. Amphibians are most visible in the rainy season. Indian gaur or bison is the flagship species of the area. Other mammals living in this sanctuary are Indian leopards, sloth bear, wild boar, barking deer, Indian tiger, moose deer, sambar, giant squirrels, and wild dogs. Birds which are commonly found here are vultures, eagles, jungle fowl, plovers, sandpiper, owls, doves, nightjars, kingfishers, bee-eaters, hornbill woodpeckers, bulbul, flycatchers, and many more. This sanctuary is designated as an important bird area by BirdLife International and is home to the rare and the globally threatened Nilgiri wood pigeon. Other species found here include silent frogmouth, yellow-brown bulbul, dusky eagle owl, great pipe hornbill, and one of the most admired songbirds of India, that's the Malabar whistling thrush. Two species endemic to the Western Ghats, the small sunbird and the Malabar grey hornbill, have been also sighted here. This sanctuary is a favorite nesting place for the speckled piculate, Malabar crested lark, and some species of Himalayan birds such as Indian blue robin during the winter months. Threatened species of reptiles and amphibians seen in this sanctuary include Malabar pit viper, Deccan ground gecko, Gunter catskink, Beddoes lectera, Bombay blush frog, and human wrinkle frog are also found here. So this was all about the Radhanagari Wildlife Sanctuary. I hope you have enjoyed it and thank you. Now I would further invite Nandita for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Ishan, for such a wonderful explanation regarding the Radhanagari Wildlife Sanctuary. I hope the audience has agreed to visit it at least once in their lifetime. So that one of the most amazing feature of Maharashtra. Thank you, EBSC Visit, for arranging a session and making us aware about the features held by Maharashtra. Thank you for being with us and stay tuned for tomorrow's event at the same time.